guys, Becky Flanders here. Welcome to our Bootstrap lesson. In this video, we are going to learn about Bootstrap navigation. In the end of this course, you're supposed to be able to make a website like this. This is a Bootstrap website made to illustrate how Bootstrap works. It is fast, mobile friendly, and responsive. As you can see, the navigation items here, it is fast, it is mobile friendly, responsive, and it's made with Bootstrap. Let us get started with the navigations. So Bootstrap uses components that have been pre-built so that you don't have to make them again. You can just copy the code from the Bootstrap website and add to your file. So go to getbootstrap.com, this website, and then go to documentation, scroll on your left to the components, and from here you click on navbar. There are different types of navigation bars. You have these ones with the option of searching, but for our case, I want us to use this simple one, just the navigation bar. So you copy this code, then come to your code and paste it here, then save. When you refresh your page, you should have a navigation. Now we are going to edit this navigation to make it look nice so we can use it in our website. Okay, so let us start here. First, we make the navigation to be inside a container fluid and a container, so that it will leave a margin at the end of both sides. Okay, so we have a div of class container. So the navigation, okay. So the navigation is already inside a container. Okay. It's inside a container and we leave margins, you see. But we want this color to match. We want this color to match this color. So what we do, we put it inside another container fluid. So div of class container fluid. Okay. So the navigation is inside a container which is inside another container of class container fluid. Then we take the color of the background, which is the BG light here, and give it to the container fluid and save. And there we have it, our container. Our navigation leaves a margin, but the whole nav bar is the same color. So now we want to take these buttons to the far right here. So that we do by adding here where the navigation list, the list of the links that we add a margin left dash auto. And they are taken to the far right. Then we want to change this disabled link and make it a button. So okay, and the button is, you call it join our class, and now we give it the class btn for button, then button dash medium, then button btn dash info. This is a blue button. Okay, there are different classes for buttons, and we shall get to that. Now you can see you have your navigation looking nice with a button at the end. Okay, and you can be able to add these links by just copying these the navigation items and pasting them, then changing the name here to maybe contact for contactors. After home we can add about us, so we say about, save, refresh. You see all of them have been added, and then we change the navbar. This branding to our name, our brand name, which is you're right, which is Bootstrap Learning. Your guess was right, and we refresh. You can see now we have it totally different with a different name and a button here that we can click, and this is responsive, as you can see. Okay, this is mobile friendly. Awesome. And that brings us to the end of the navigation class. Please study this, practice before you move to the next class. Share and subscribe, and in the end we are going to make this website together. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, put them on the comment section and I will address them. Thank you.